Hello everybody. So this is our video number 4, where we will see how we can create our separate page for our blog post. So let's get started. Here you can see we have right now 3 pages, like blog, front page, and sample page. Here we will create a new page named as Contact Us. So go to Pages and add New. Here we will add our page name. Like I told you that we will create a contact page. Sorry for spelling. So this is the name of the page. Now we will publish our page. And if we go back to our website and refresh our page, now you can see we have a new page named as Contact Us. Now here you can see there is nothing showing here, but we will show our blog posts here. For that, we will go to our settings, and here we will go to readings. In this section, we will specify the settings that we want, like homepage. We are showing our front page and the here you can see on the first page, homepage is our front page, and here we will select the page that we created and simply save changes. So if we go to our contact page and refresh, now you can see our posts are showing here. So this is the way how you can create a separate page and show your blog on the created page. So thank you so much for watching. Please share this video and subscribe my channel, and please like. Thank you.